Hey, it's Kellen with the Alberta On Fire Investor Team. Oftentimes you're probably wondering, what is success and how do we help our clients get there? What I'll talk about today is just working together with our clients to ensure a successful path in the investment world with these properties. One of the first things that we'll talk about with any of our clients is just setting an expectation and understanding of what the budget looks like, setting expectations for cash flow, and then also discussing all those opportunities that we do have available, because there is quite a few different options when it comes to properties, whether that's a number of doors, the location, the style. These are all things that we address early on in the process, just so there's a formal understanding of what we're getting into. How we get there is a lot of research is done, case studies are looked into, we evaluate each project and opportunity using a lot of the same metrics in regards to finding the different neighborhoods, the different builders, the demographics that are living within those neighborhoods, and we evaluate on our own scale before we would ever make a recommendation to a certain project in a certain area. Once you feel that we found a good opportunity for you, we are there to walk with you hand in hand to secure that property with the initial steps of providing a deposit and then assisting in that initial due diligence period, whether that's a conditional agreement to financing, wanting to learn more about the project in its own, the development, as well as one of the things that we always like to provide and offer is third-party insight from a property management company, because they will be the ones dealing with the tenants directly and most often representing you after you close on the certain property that you've chosen. One of the things we're able to do is recommend trusted advisors in the financing departments as well, so looking at different mortgages and financing options, as well as lawyers that specialize in real estate, as well as mentioned before, with property management, just different companies that are able to provide further insights to ensure that this is a success from you from the get-go. By giving attention to these things early on in the process, it can also help us set those expectations to ensure that in the opportunity, should it arise that the property that you choose is closing, we are working with the property managers and the lenders to make sure that the tenants potentially are taking occupancy and you're receiving a rent check for the month before you close on the property. Once you've secured the property, what we're able to do is we work hand in hand throughout the process. So new home construction, typically you're looking at a longer timeline, whether that's 10 to 12, sometimes up to 24 months. Whereas if it is a resale property, sometimes that will be a lot quicker. But our goal throughout that process is providing you guidance to ensure that the closing can go as smoothly as possible, that you can get some tenants occupied in your residence as soon as possible. And these are all things that we do with you once you've signed on the dotted line and everything's been confirmed. This is not a situation that once you have made your commitment that you're on your own. We're here to work with you throughout the process. So the exciting part is once closing has come and keys have been released, life can happen, different situations can arise where you're maybe looking at down the road selling the property, refinancing, just different strategies. Our team, we're able to help you along the way, whether that's through private listing, MLS listing. Again, we're always available to help. If you're interested in becoming an Alberta On Fire investor client, make sure to click the link below and we'll be sure to help you on your successful path to investing in real estate. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to click that link to subscribe below to view more videos like this one.